Welcome to Learner Point, where we unravel the secrets of successful trading. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the fascinating world of mock trading. Mock trading, also known as paper trading or virtual trading, is a game changer for traders. But what exactly is it? In simple terms, it's like a virtual stock market game, allowing traders to practice buying and selling stocks without risking real money. Now, you might wonder, what's the point? The primary purpose of mock trading is to provide a safe space for traders to refine their skills. It's where you can test different strategies, understand market dynamics, and build confidence. Mock trading offers incredible benefits. It's not just a game, it's a stepping stone. Gain practical experience, build confidence, and refine your strategies, all without risking your hard-earned capital. Ready to dive in? Getting started with mock trading is easy. Choose from various platforms that provide a risk-free environment, real-time market data, and virtual funds to begin your trading journey. Find link in the description. Mock trading is your key to mastering the art of trading without the risk. Subscribe to Learner Point for more trading insights. And visit our website for in-depth resources. Thanks for watching.